Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling stream, lived a kind and curious young girl named Lily. Known for her generosity and love for nature, Lily spent her days helping her neighbors and exploring the wonders of world around her. One sunny afternoon, while wandering through a lush forest, Lily stumbled upon an old chest partially buried beneath an ancient oak tree. Excitement filled her heart as she uncovered the chest and discovered a golden key lying beside it. The key was beautifully crafted with intricate design that glinted in sunlight. With trembling hands, Lily inserted the key into the rusty lock. With a soft click, the chest opened, revealing a scroll and a golden map. Unfurling the scroll, Lily read aloud: "The true treasure lies not in gold or jewels, but in the heart on pursuit of goodness." The map illustrated a path leading deep into the forest. Determined to uncover the mystery, Lily followed the map through dense wood and over babbling brooks. Along her journey, she encountered several animals in need: a baby bird with broken wings, a squirrel trapped in a net, and a lost fawn. With compassion and care, Lily helped each one, mending wings, freeing fawn, and guiding the fawn back to its family. After many hours of searching, Lily arrived at serene sunlight grove where an ancient tree stood tall and majestic. At the base of tree, she found a small glowing box. Eagerly, she opened it, only to find a handwritten note inside. The note read, "Dear seeker, you have found the true treasure, not in this box, but in the kindness you have shown along the way. The real treasure is the joy you have brought to others and the love you have shared." With a warm heart, Lily made her way back to the village, realizing that her journey had revealed a profound truth. The golden key had unlocked a lesson far more valuable than gold, one of love, kindness, and community. Lily continued to live her life with an open heart, knowing that the most precious treasure are the joy and kindness we give to the others. The village flourished, filled with a renewed scene of togetherness and happiness. And so remember, dear listener, the greatest treasure in the life is not found in material wealth, but in the goodness we spread and the joy we create. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming tales. Until next time, may your heart always find its way to true treasure.